Mema Oya Kwaba about GC News, hot news all time, latest and hot news. And Bremo. A Kevin Taylor, or those old and not to a branch of friend Mr. Happiness. A dear we use of social media, Kofi Gabs. A pressure what Tomagana for our compare a PhD and made Dutch passport. I pay on Sunday. Kevin did not to Ama in summer to now say the boy and some women now. Mr. Say, we subscribe to the channel now. Mr. Say, over subscribe. What the other say over click the subscribe button now what barely notification we understand new video piano also when sa epic can be I told you now like give us a thumbs up like the video no now fi share my offer for so na when you in our worship I feel yambura and simi a bunch of I have the Kofi Gabs you gonna need your friend Mr. Happiness now yana is also a naturalize our dances so we can video ama wonya that passport na odi Ghana for fell a social media so what you say that passport no cry home for so class will be a PD ya no na koye sembe will be a car will be a king as abasana de na we like them tell us so then no atuma atutu bi dia mane Ghana for what you say ka ho kire akoso wo man we ma Ghana for hihim better na toilet man ma papa oye fa that passport and compare you be OPD no be OPD ko Ghana you dia say Kevin is to do what to be the money or man penny for win. Why I want to pass on over there and simply doing na to that. Also, near Prophet Kofi Oduro and also the reaction FIS as you PhD any that passport. I know na Kofi Oduro HSA. Sad generation they are mad to say one about them. Now you could see one in one in summer one in the FIS Kofi Gabs Mr. Happiness in summer what they have today.
There's nothing working in this country. There's nothing working in Ghana. Afe toilet man be the matama na musu. Afe a professional toilet man di matama na musu. Ye Jimmy, ye nimu nyansa. Ye dwen so obi ka brofo, kwase abi hye suit ado nimu nyansa. Ye Jimmy, the fundamental things that we need to look out and take care of no ye nye enam kwase ade. A whole general hospital. Na we are Ghana nia. Odwen say ento ade ebechi ebeto. And to question you will not even see in conform in this situation. Another pray or to Twitter no Jimmy no home. Adaya election time na wama man sika so mo fanchi chofi enkoton eno no. Omo 200 Ghana mo nkochi chofi enkoton. Na obegina parliament kan kwase abrofo okonye mo ma onje. Hwen hospital. Hwe sika another praje. A judgment can any sika can say, hey, Mona Mode me call a way I want to do it. Dobi. Or one or cotigatim, na a Jimmy for dinachi, another pre, nem penanum and a man was so many Uguabruch and Quasia for the Mugu na Mugu se moi. You people, some of you are foolish. Messi di pana or that's a stretch a impanasono or sifri or pewa or tom adon pre. Ya say muama, I say a muama se. Ye nimu nyansa ye nima de krontia ye di poli ewie metise nkoto church mu Ghana for adekudientia politicians ye omo powerful change yankopon Ghana for Jimmy omo nte politics na ase for 7 years e dey na betumi de unsesi ubo akase wenyawa 7 years Akufo-Addo abanwi ene Bawumia dey pa na betumi de unsesi ubo se omo bedi so no ejapade we na menso mensaka oboa mo anam we ejapade maton mo anam wo edwuma na ekoso egu mo anasebio mo wo cars matonton bebre mo anam sika kakra da bank ahye mo anam pension kakra so da bank yaje Ghana na yet no ede na monya pa free sa nkwasiafo we ho emfie nson enti oti wona wodi MPP echikoto ama MPP no reason the same and the cement 113 Ghana one na mo nipa dodo say na ehweme a mo betumi ato cement bag 100 bags mo nipa say 90% of you mutumi si dan ko bezo mbewu aban asesa 90% of you munyina modwuma begu anana aban bi wo so ena na eto cement 100 bags 11,000 Ghana na wose sa aban na nye nti Mahama mfiri so na Mahama efiri so a na enne sa 11,000 no Mahama time no 11,000 eto cement almost 500 bags time Mahama teso no na 11,000 Ghana na eto cement almost 500 bags 456 bags and an eto and also Mahama bon cement ni boating na onima mebuo and all this junkies we buy okay we insuo mawe and how do you what was the reason until the NPP bar power? The entire Makoto Abama Akufo-Addo ne Bawumia. Say Mahama Abaino cement nane boa ding na petro boa ding nende Akufo-Addo betena so ne abeduru na ende sa the same 11,000 untumi ponto 100 bags of cement o ka kire say Mahama any message o ya buo bi ba unnim nyansa abana wotoro ntiase we dirty and into ende obi juju toilet so abrochira or you more important than somebody who works in parliament in Ghana. You know why? Because your country, you have failed to think. Listen. And into ende obi edwuma bi abrochira anka wo expect say edwuma no entumi ma e de nipa no enya abrabo papa mbo no and into ende so obi juju toilet mu abrochira or you more important than a member of parliament, because how much that person makes in an hour no a member of parliament does not make. Abrochire enye robot o eye nipa na tenase politicians that tenase echichire yese nipa we mo nya adwuma we nya adwuma we na mfa so mra na we nya sei enye angel bi na ebechichire ye mo jimi de ekoso abrochire ebi betubesi wo Ghana ye ma ye ho kwan na ye ma politicians use ya ye moa intende mu school amko ye nyina ende toilet man ena ama mu questions ena mu Ghana na mo solve adentira osanka mo tenase busa mo sa adentira ena ende obitumi gina brochire ojuju toiletim etumi ka kire me say or you better than me upon the amaye nyina ne de mesua. He is telling you ana e say ka kire wo say baby awote no, you are not being led by intelligent people and you yourself you are foolish. Think and no the pride will not do anything to you. The pride it will not do anything to you. Entimi angine without due respect and you be na be kwa brochire ko ojuju toiletim. Without due respect, you be an a pese jumano. But if there is jumano crumpa and you be an a bepe and you be an a regarding and that job at this point is paying better than somebody who says he has read more in Ghana, ultimately making $1 an hour, then you are a slave. You are foolish. You're not supposed to sit on radio and discuss Ghana's economy. Abra abine tisono and to me movie or status enko esro. Because they are working kind at the end of the day. Kudi bawasaba. We all have our priorities, but we have general priorities. That's the thing. Who in Ghana is punched $2 an hour as a civil servant, as a professor, as a doctor, as a PhD holder? Who is punched $2 an hour in Ghana? Nobody. Meaning, all of you guys are slaves to somebody who is a toilet cleaner in Europe. I'm telling you, because no toilet cleaner in Europe is punched €2 an hour. Are you getting it? It's not about the working kind, it's about the output. When next brofo chen Cape Coast for, go and see their lives there. When next brofo ewo brofo din chen mimikro mu fanti for, go and see the poverty there. What did the brofo and the English name bring us? Nothing. We failed to use our senses. And these are raw conversations. I don't need any statistician. I don't need anybody to come and tell me that do this. I don't need it. How is your condition? Because bro need to aba na say nyoma nkoya onto sa aba ni biem obesesa ne nsa na ade na wo de wato aba nyoma nkoya na wo do jimi e da hote e to da aba no. Do I care about what you have read? And what you have read, what did it do for you and I? Because when I listen to the white man and the white man tells me that I am a D&D holder, I will ask you what you have read. How has it impacted the lives of you, your people, and yourself? Obaka just say, I read this, and through that, this medicine has been made. I am paid this amount of money. Then there has been something that came out of all that you read. But when you read everything down to me, your match stick. Now you are paid less than an hour and $1 an hour. You are a fool. Accept, let's put our pride aside and accept the reality. And the pensioners for Kaira. Teacher need to meet you at 35 years, no need 30,000 Ghana. Are you crazy? Mabu bodam. Are you fools? And then I'm the Biana with the book at nobody's against education, nobody's against people furthering the education, but we want to let people understand the reality is that Jimmy book and manyansa, it guides you. This has to be applied. Pride. Yabe bre once ni agye no krabia tum na ya fe ye din komo asesa nyoma no na ye peje ya beti. Come to Europe. Young kids, when they finish college, they get to work at McDonald's, they work at Starbucks, they work at these fast food joints and all. Young kids at 16, 17, 18, they are able to save. They move out of their parents' homes. They stay with their colleagues and in shared apartments. obi tumi tena Ghana we university first degree, second degree, 35 years, not only adwumaye. As I speak to you, I have family members who have read serious petrochemical engineer. They don't have a job. And we sit here, kwasia, na ye can credit say the people leading us have to be more practical. Their decisions and policies have to translate. It has to change the people's lives. It is always good. When the environment is good, we need to learn. Every single day, as humans, you have to be learning. You have to be making sure you open your horizon. It is good. But the more you are opening your horizon, do not open your ass. Because when you're opening your horizon and you open your ass, everything that goes in here will come out of your ass. So let's get this right. Let us get things right. JJ Rollins ne Akufo-Addo. When I'm also a school kasi. JJ Rollins is regional hospital. Akufo-Addo is school. We see hospital. Mahama ne Akufo-Addo. When I'm also a school kasi. I'm say Akufo-Addo school cha Mahama. Mahama nyoma wire no Ghana Akufo-Addo ibi. Bawumia ne Mahama yesi Bawumia o PhD. Nyoma Mahama aye. Bawumia ibi. Mwe Jimmy. Kwame Nkrumah si so JB dan kwamo. Sana muso wako school cha Kwame Nkrumah ni bibia cha Kwame Nkrumah hospital so si wa Ghana sanko asia for no mutumi suggest bibi sa. You people are foolish. Yanka say school nye. Yanka say do not open your horizon. Yanka say mensua de, but do not be a fool today in school. That is all that people want you people to know. You give me too much. Simple. Nobody is paid $2 an hour in Ghana. $2. Zara me money $2 on J. When I give Zara $2, she's not going to take it. Now a whole professor, a whole DN lecturer, you are taking less than $2. This is the time we need to see say the reality check na NEA. How can a day in 2024 somebody who cleans or somebody who is a cleaner in Europe, America somewhere is so proud and feels better than a Ghanaian who thinks wow, what to me could point. It shouldn't be like that. And these are the questions we need to be asking ourselves. Why is it like that? It shouldn't be. And yet Ghana and Kwasiade in 2024 is not supposed to be like that. With all due respect to no matter the job you do. But the issue is, at this point, with all due respect, so be a cleaner or brucha. Enisa otumi ekase oye nejuma aye chen midwife for Ghana. Enisa otumi kase nejuma aye chen doctor. Enisa kase nejuma aye chen teacher ni. No, it shouldn't.
What is a Dutch passport as compared to a do you know what it means for somebody to pursue a PhD? Do you know by the time somebody finished writing his thesis, project work, research work, before the person comes to the point of PhD, do you know what goes into it? The generation is mad. What is seke? Yeah, that generation is seke. Jeremiah chapter 51 and verse number 7. This generation is a mad generation. Yeah. A Dutch passport is better than a PhD. They have changed the glory. Babylon is a golden cup in the hands of the Lord that has made the whole earth drunken. The nations have drunken of her wine, therefore the nations are mad. I didn't write that madness in the Bible. A Dutch passport. So if now a person has a Dutch passport, they don't need university. They don't need education. They have changed the glory. Now, you know what they are doing? They are rubbishing education. They are rubbishing education while people are, doing findings into artificial intelligence and all that kind of thing. We are here talking nonsense. We are here talking nonsense. A Dutch. What is a Dutch passport? And may I ask, what is a Dutch passport? What is a British passport? What is an American passport? And what is a Ghanaian passport? A passport is a passport. A passport is a passport. Vanity of all vanities. I don't care what you think. When Ebony died, she didn't go with her passport that were full of visas. I'm telling this young generation, there are university students seated here, and their mind is that when the day I go enter the Yankee, the things will go happen. Nothing go happen. Nothing go happen. Nothing go happen. Beginners in Abroche, they start with cleaning jobs. I'm reminding you, Martina Brochire, I understand the system that works there. A person can do 3 jobs: first cleaning job, second main job, and the last one a side job. By the time all our brothers and sisters, they begin somewhere, and then when they begin, they graduate. Except the people that are in education, nurses, teachers, doctors, surgeons, and mathematicians, researchers, and all that. But apart from that, care workers and all that kind of thing. Abrochire ain't easy. One of the biggest job in Abrochire is security jobs. There are people here who will never do security here. But you want a passport to go to Abrochire. So I'm asking you, what are you going to do there? Tell them that the people who come from Abrochire and they dress nice, smelling good and all that, they work 2-3 years before, they plan 2-3 years before they come here to live that lavish lifestyle for 2 weeks or 3 weeks. You are deceived. You are deceived to think that that is Abrochire. Obin Kanchire was Abrochire ne Yahemache sorry, working 12 hours without break and all that. Obin Kanchire that you'll be walking in winter in temperatures of -5, -10, and you'll be freezing. I met young Ghanaians who were washing cars at Sainsbury Shopping Center at Eltham in London, and it was winter and they were using hot water. By the time the car is parked, the owner goes to the shopping center, the car is already frosty. They pour hot water on it and then they start washing the car. By the time they finish doing this, it will be way more now or the sika back now what they will pay price. Will be pay price. The car we mo the send there. Oyama show where do you be sikatea? Obia where do you be sika me say opa fanisika mano ana ube pay price. We are born again but ube pay price. You are speaking in tongues but ube pay price. One said they are higher than
You're waiting for winning, and some of your Calvin Taylor, KT, what to be money or man penny for winning area Kofi Gabs, Mr. Happiness in some of the 2 years. Also, and a year, Prophet Kofi Oduro through some of the 2 year fire that passports, any PAD, in other, and some to go on already. Because just so, and I will head on 7 million subscribers. Mr. Say, over subscribe and all like it. Now, I watch a video, I'm offer for so in your B. Now, worry. Also, bet me actually working a fire. Some way down home, I will comment boxing. In my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.